Hey YouTube.
You ready to do this, dude?
Yep. What we doing?
Pistols only.
Pistol only?
Yep.
Okay.
Doing a classic game. Pistols only.
Normal game, pistols only.
No. we're not. But how good are you with pistols?
I'm okay.
Alright.
My afro here. You want to come pet my afro? It will give us good luck.
Alright, then. We'll come for
You gotta come.
Alright, you squat. You squat. Squat.
I got you. Pet my afro. Pet my
Alright,
afro. It gonna give us good luck.
oh, you gotta start a train, dude.
Yep. We gotta make a train.
We need people to join our train. No one's gonna join our train.
No.
Why is no one joining the train?
We need to get more people.
We're like a colony of ants.
Look, I can walk sideways. Da, 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 da. uh, where are we going?
Where has gonna have a pistol?
Pretty much everywhere.
We need a pistol. If we don't get a pistol, we're screwed. Go over there.
Okay. That seemed like a cool place. Why don't anybody put up like cool planes designs?
Yeah, I know.
So there's some really good ones out there.
You know how that works? So who gets it shown?
How?
You know the level where I unlocked the emotes and stuff.
Uh-huh.
Whoever has the highest level on that is to show what skin they have.
Oh, wow.
That's why I keep changing.
We got 100 people to kill with pistols.
Yeah. No, we got 97 other people or 98. Math.
Something like that.
We have 90 other people to kill, dude.
Well, we gotta kill everybody with a pistol.
I'm gonna be so sad. Cause I know I'm gonna find a good gun I like. I'm like, I can't use it.
Yep, pistols only.
I'm on the roof. I don't think I'm supposed to be on the roof.
Probably not. I love how you can lock the automatic run. So
Yeah.
you just aim where you want to go and you good.
Alright, pistols, where you at?
Do you know what the strongest pistol is on this game?
The revolver.
The revolver?
Yeah. That gun's pretty strong.
Well, I ain't find nothing.
Me neither. I haven't found any pistols yet.
Nope.
I didn't find any guns yet at all.
I found a shotgun. Throw away the shotgun. Go away. I don't want you.
I found some machine guns. I can't use that.
Nope, we got pistols only. Where are you pistols?
Still haven't found any pistols.
Me neither. Usually every time. Ooh, I got me a 9mm.
Oh.
Yay.
I got an Uzi. It's kind of like a pistol.
Okay, are we allowed to use smoke grenades and Mazeltovs? Or whatever the fuck?
Molotovs?
Yeah, that.
Oh, that's your rule. Oh, I got a 9mm.
Uh, we can, but we normally don't. Oops, that was my fault. Go away.
Don't worry. I have plenty of 9mm bullets.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
I do not.
There was more in here.
Oh, it being stupid.
Luckily, you can get red dots and stuff for pistols.
Yeah. I got me a vest.
I got 300 bullets.
No, I don't want the. I don't want the shotgun.
You send me bullets for 9mm home?
They're a revolver. I got the revolver. Or I can have the 9mm, and the 9mm got more ammo. You think you're a better shot than me?
Probably. Well,
Not that. Here, take this revolver then.
you gonna dress my ammo for the 9mm?
Yeah, here, revolver ammo.
Anytime more of that ammo.
Ain't that 7.62?
Yeah, 7.62 usually is not hard to find. There's a car out here.
There is a pistol up here with take ACP, but it don't have much ammo. I think I'm gonna stick with a pistol with more ammo.
Yeah.
I find ACP ammo fucking everywhere. That you?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't order a taxi.
Oh, well, thanks here.
Yep, stupid. Oh, this is a shitty taxi. I'm gonna die on this one.
Probably. What?
If it let me get on. Right, there it goes. Don't tell everybody where we at. I don't want a sniper to take us out. I do got.
We got pistols.
I do. I sight on my pistol.
We're the best pistol users ever.
Oh yeah, we gonna kill everybody. There's so many people left.
There's a quick draw mag for pistols if you don't have one.
I don't think I do. You got a book bag?
Yep.
Okay.
I have the shot. Oh yeah, I have the pressure for this revolver. Good morning.
Uh-uh. You got a vest?
Yeah.
What kind?
Level 2.
Cool. We gotta find the best armor we can find.
Yeah. I only have a level 1 helmet though.
Same. Airdrop. Those are usually not that worth it. We got somebody.
Oh, I'm getting shot.
I killed him with a fucking pistol.
Good job. I had to heal. I was in the car when you shot me.
No, I don't want that gun. Guess I got thrown out. Go away. Go away.
That was scary, dude.
They were using a decent gun too. I was up there in that window, right there. Shooting him with a 9mm. They were pretty great. I felt accomplished. Where to now?
Never. Gotta follow the trail. This is a really weird trail.
Yep. Who built the houses without roads?
Oh, yeah. Someone pretty lazy, probably.
Yeah.
Alright. Not finding anything I need.
What?
Not finding anything I need.
There's nothing in this one either.
All I really want is. The only thing I can get really is like better armor and
More ammo.
yeah, more ammo.
They're 50. Well, 49.
I didn't want that crossbow bolt.
Just the bolt? What are you gonna do with that?
Nothing.
Okay.
Six something like that.
I guess there's nothing here.
Oh,
Ah! I got shot.
I'm coming.
Right when I got in the car, I was getting shot. Dumbass. You be dealing with the pros.
Oh no. Oh yeah, the ammo for me. Oh.
Ah, my bad. It took the gun and the ammo
That's
with
why I
it.
turned that auto stuff off.
Yeah, I gotta do that. It's good when we play a normal game, so I don't have to pick up anything. It just kind of do it for myself.
For some things, even on normal games, mess me up because some things I want other, or some things I want over other things, but it thinks the other thing's better.
Yeah. I guess it all depends on the person reference.
You can't put a sniper on this thing.
You can't.
No, the only thing you put on this revolver is a suppressor.
I
And have a suppressor.
ain't even been using the sights.
I think I might pick me up like a 9mm
Uh-huh.
and so I can get like a red dot on it for like longer shot.
Yeah, but the thing I've been dealing with, I cannot pick up two pistols.
You can't.
No, it hasn't let me pick up two pistols.
Hmm.
They keep on wanting me to make me pick up that. So I guess we search everywhere here. You want to move on to the next place until we die?
I guess so. Until we die. You mean until we win?
Yeah, until we win. So that what gonna happen.
That's
Hey,
what happened, dude. We're gonna win.
hey, man, you already got a kill.
Yep. We're
So
gonna
it,
win, homie.
it it looking pretty decent right now.
We're coming first place.
Yeah, we gonna come in first place on using pistols. That gonna be some shit right there.
Someone's around us.
Yeah, I know.
Get the building and go upstairs. Or kill people.
I killed him. He down. Die already.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Holy
whoa, whoa!
no 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 no
We killed 27, dude. We didn't bad.
no not for only having pistols.
We really did not do that.
Yeah, I know my battery low.
We both had a kill piece. We had way more damage though.
Yeah, so I was attacking that other dude, so he was watching you. I think he was watching you.
Yeah.
So he had a sniper. And we had to reload. And people. Okay, I gotta collect stuff.
No. eventually I can get this one for free.
Cool. That will be fun.
But I gotta be level 37.
Ooh. Bummer.
Oh, I get a skin for a gun. 45. I want that.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
You stopped the recording?
Not yet. It kind of hard to stop it. And I collecting stuff.
It should be like voice activated.
Yeah.
Start. Stop.
I send in people money.
Thank you.
No problem. Okay. I got sent money.
What about
What about you?
who? Oh. Yeah, well,
Okay. My battery on like 0% right now.
it's not good.
No.